Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to make a mobile-friendly website using Canva, even if you've never built a website before. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create a beautiful site that looks fantastic on mobile devices using Canva's easy tools, and as a bonus, I'll show you how to grab a template you can start with right away. So if you want a quick and stylish way to get your project online, stay tuned because this is going to be super useful. Let's jump right in. First, head over to Canva. If you haven't used Canva before, don't worry, it's very user-friendly and you can even use it for free. Once you're on the homepage, look for the big Create button, it's usually at the top right. Clicking on Create is your starting point for any new project in Canva. Now in the search bar, type in Website. This will pull up a whole bunch of website creation options. Canva offers lots of pre-made templates that you can use as your base. Go ahead and browse through the choices. You'll notice some are more suited for portfolios, some for businesses, some for personal projects. Feel free to explore a bit here. Take your time picking a template that looks modern and clean, since that's really important for a mobile-friendly experience. If you're not sure, look for templates that have plenty of open space and large, easy-to-read text. Those usually translate well to phones and tablets. Once you've picked your template, click to select it, and you'll be taken into Canva's editing workspace. Now, this is where you can customize everything to make it truly yours. To make your website more user-friendly, especially on mobile, think about how people will view it. Use larger fonts so text is easy to read on small screens. Stick to simple navigation and avoid cluttering the pages with too many buttons or images. For example, if you're making a website for your photography business, maybe use big images and keep the menu options to just Home, Portfolio, and Contact. Less really is more, especially when someone's scrolling on their phone. You can drag elements around, change colors to match your brand, swap out pictures, and even add clickable buttons. As you're editing, it's helpful to periodically preview your design. Canva actually lets you switch between desktop and mobile views so you can see how your site will look on each device. Take advantage of this. Sometimes, an element looks great on a computer but feels cramped on a small screen. If you notice things aren't lining up or look squished, don't worry, just move them around until it feels comfortable. This part might take a few moments, but it's really worth it for a smooth experience for your visitors. Once you're satisfied with how the site looks and feels, especially on mobile, it's time to share your work. Hit the big Share button at the top right of Canva. From here, you'll see different options, but for now, let's download our site as a PDF. Choose Download, then select PDF Standard. PDF is a reliable format and keeps your layout intact, which is perfect if you want to share your design easily or send it to someone for feedback. If you're planning to publish online right from Canva, you can even use their built-in website publishing tools. But for today, we'll stick with the PDF to keep things simple. And that's really all there is to it. Within minutes, you've built a stylish, mobile-friendly website using Canva. It's quick, it's fun, and honestly, it's a great way to get your ideas out there without fussing with complicated code. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks like this. If you have any questions or want me to make a video deep diving on Canva's website publishing features, just drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to help out. See you next time.